Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Suma. In our previous lesson, we learned about nouns and their types. Today, we are going to learn about pronouns. Pronouns are one of the most important parts of speech because they help us avoid repeating nouns. By the end of this lesson, you'll know what pronouns are, why we use them, and the main types of pronouns with easy examples. Let's get started. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Instead of repeating the same noun again and again, we use a pronoun to make the sentence shorter and easier to understand. For example, instead of saying, Rahul is a good boy. Rahul studies in class 10, we say, Rahul is a good boy. He studies in class 10. Here, the word, he, replaces the noun Rahul. Pronouns make our English better. They help us avoid repeating the same nouns, make sentences shorter, improve clarity, and make our speaking and writing sound more natural. There are many kinds of pronouns, but today we'll learn the 5 most common types: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. A personal pronoun refers to a specific person, animal, or thing. These pronouns replace nouns in a sentence. The most common personal pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. For example, in the sentence, she is my best friend, the word, she, is a personal pronoun. A possessive pronoun shows that something belongs to someone. It tells us about ownership. Examples include mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. In the sentence, this pencil is mine, the word, mine, shows ownership. A reflexive pronoun is used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same person. These pronouns emphasize that the action is done by the subject. For example, she completed the work herself. Here, the word, herself, refers back to, she. A demonstrative pronoun points to a specific person or thing. We use this and these for things that are near, while that and those are used for things that are farther away. For example, those are my books. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions. Common interrogative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and what. For example, in the sentence, who is your English teacher? The word, who, is an interrogative pronoun. Let's test your understanding. In the first sentence, which word is the pronoun? The correct answer is, she. In the second sentence, the correct answer is, mine. Let's quickly revise today's lesson. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. We learned why pronouns are important and studied 5 common types: personal, possessive, reflexive, demonstrative, and interrogative pronouns. Thank you for watching. In the next lesson, we'll learn about verbs. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to English with Suma. See you in the next lesson.